Hey my friend, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad to have you in my channel today as we kick off some exciting DIY project. I am always on the lookout for new ideas and ways to improve my content and share it with you guys. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell that you will not miss any update. In today's video, I will be sharing two amazing modern farmhouse DIY projects using wooden clothespins that I got from the Dollar Tree store. The best part is that I didn't have to buy any new items. I am using only what I have in my stash. So let's jump right into the first project. First project, I need this long wooden shelf that I got from Dollar Tree, wooden clothespins, pretty floral scrapbook paper, a brown wooden circle, and Mod Podge and some wood glue, brown Beverly wax, and some other items. First, I will show you how to create beautiful clothespins border wall decor using long wooden shelf and clothespins. Start by tracing the floral scrapbook paper onto the long wooden shelf and then apply a coat of Mod Podge on top of the shelf and lay the floral paper on top. Use parchment paper and this small iron to move up and down, ensuring the paper is well adhered to the wood. Now separate the clothespins into two pieces and counting how many pieces I need for the two borders up and down. Then stain them with brown Beverly wax, using baby white to give a darker wood color. This will create a more rustic look for my DIY project. Then use wood glue or hot glue to attach the stained clothespin pieces on the top and the bottom of the long wooden sign, creating wooden borders. So pretty. Look at that. Then cut out the Home Sweet Home text from the scrapbook paper and hot glue three sides of this paper to the center of the long wooden piece. Leave a small opening at the bottom, which allow me to add small pieces of napkin to a pop-out effect. Like this, pieces of napkin, push them inside with the help of this stick. Push, inside, go there. Hot glue the bottom once I am done filling the inside. To give this napkin gives it some dimension. Now hot glue. Voila. Hot glue the wooden ring in the center of the sign. Create a cute small bow using this ribbon, making one loop and dovetail end. Hot glue it in the bottom of the wooden ring and add some tiny flowers to add some extra detail. I'm making a cute wreath in the center of this wood. Tied it there, then hot glue it and add some small flowers. Arrange them there. Finally, hot glue two D-rings to the back of this wall decor and add a piece of twine to hang this beautiful modern farmhouse decoration. Let's see how it looks like now. Before hanging this wall decor, I add a coat of this clear wax to give some shiny look to these wooden pieces. It's not an amazing piece? I think. What do you think, guys? Let me know in your comment below. What do you think about this project? Stay tuned to the end. We have another cute project. Before that, let's talk about today's collaboration. I am so excited to be part of the Let's Get to Bashing Your Stash collaboration. This challenge is all about using up our existing craft supplies and not buying any new items. This is a great way to be creative and reduce waste by repurposing items we already have on hand, right guys? A big shout out to the wonderful host of this collaboration, Kate from the Soke channel, and the co-host Shawny from Gritzy Stitches Home DIY. They are both incredibly talented crafters and I highly recommend checking out their channels. You can find the links to the channels in the description box below along with the playlist for this collaboration. There you will find many more amazing crafters who are also taking part in this challenge and you will surely be inspired by their incredible project made from their stash. Now without further ado, let's dive into my stash and see what kind of fun and creative project we can come up with for second DIY. For the second DIY, I have been using this wooden sign that I got from Dollar Tree 3 weeks ago. I'm removing this rabbit design. I don't need it. I want the flat surface. And I want to cover the back end with this floral scrapbook paper that I used for the first DIY. I'm tracing the size that I need to cover the back end. Then cut out the traced piece, apply a layer of mud polish to the back end of this wooden sign and carefully place the cut out floral paper on top. Smooth out any air bubbles or wrinkle by using this iron. Allow them to dry completely, and next I want to stain all around this wooden frame with Beverly wax using this baby wipe all around. I have these clothespins already stained. I need them for these projects. Use hot glue to attach a popsicle stick to the back of these clothespins to create a straight line. This will serve as the base or as a bucket. Yes, a bucket to this DIY, like this. Attach one clothespin to each side of this bucket using hot glue to secure them in place. Add another popsicle stick to the bottom for added support. This is another popsicle stick I add two in the bottom to hold these clothespins better. Apply a combination of wood glue and hot glue around the edges of the wooden pocket and carefully attach it to the bottom of this wooden sign. Hold it in place until the glue sets with these clumps. Arrange 4 flowers or roses inside the wooden pocket and secure them with hot glue if necessary. But I will not add hot glue for this project. To customize this bucket, make different flowers next time. I have this home wood sign. I add some white chalk marker all around to give some shadow. This DIY wooden bucket sign with floral accents is now ready to display. I hope you enjoyed this video and were inspired to create something amazing using items from your stash. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIY, crafting and other fun videos. And see you soon.